Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Vivo Y33s to an Android device. Start by going into Play Store on both devices. Now you need to choose Send Anywhere app from Play Store and install it. After that, select Open on both devices. And from this screen over here, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. We need to wait for this one to download and do the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive on an Android and send on Vivo. Then choose all of those dots and select send. This way you will transfer all of those files. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on the scanning icon on an Android, choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. Now wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!